What is happening? This is your man KR, super excited about the Daily 500. What I'm getting ready to show you is a way for you to put $500 each and every day into your bank account. How would you like that? Yeah, I know that would be amazing, right? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to give you a brief presentation to show you how this is done, and I want you to get out there, get to work, put in that $500 into your account today, not tomorrow, today and every day after. So first of all, I want to welcome you to the Daily 500. I'm going to show you how to turn $25 into $500 per day. Let me tell you what we've done over here. We've created a supercharged way to generate mega cash by simply working together using a powerful system. The Daily 500 system is a supercharged, inexpensive program that was designed to put fast cash into the bank account of those who are currently in need of immediate income. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the shutdowns, everyone is in need of this income right now. The Daily 500 system can give you the ability to generate an impressive daily income right from the comforts of your very own home. That means that you don't have to go out there and struggle through traffic. You don't have to go out there, burning gas and putting on face masks and all of this. You can sit at home or just sit on your mobile device anywhere in the world and make this $500 per day. Wouldn't that be amazing? Of course it would. Now let's look at our levels. We have our apprentice level, which is level number 1, where you come in at $25. Then we have our big boss level, which is level number 2, the level in which you upgrade to strictly from your profits. So that means that you're going to come in for 25, make some money, upgrade into the 100, then hit that $500 mark each and every day. We have an amazing 5-step, 2-phase system. Step number 1 is the setup. That's where you come in for your $25. Then we have our phase 2, which is the income builder, where you begin to share this great opportunity with great people just like yourself that want to make $500 per day. And I can guarantee you, you do not know anyone that would not like to make $500 per day from a $25 investment. So the income builder is going to get you to that $500 per day. The power of 5. Guys, look, a lot of people say, well, I don't want to talk to people. Well, we are marketers. We're networkers over here. We believe in networking and helping people to become financially successful. So you're going to talk to 5 people that want to make $500 per day. How hard is that to find people that want to make $500 per day from a simple $25 investment? That's going to be a no-brainer, because all you're going to do is this. You're going to post an ad, you're going to invite them, then you're going to send them this video, and once they get this video, just like you're looking at it right now, they're going to see how easy it is to turn this $25 into $500 per day. Let me move down to the chart, because this is where I get excited. This is where I like to be, over here where the money is being made, and I'm sure you want to be over here too. So let's take a look at this. Now, let's assume that you've already paid your $25 to your sponsor, you're in the game, and now you're getting ready to go out here and start working toward that $500. So what you're going to do is you're going to share this opportunity with 5 people. Remember, we talked about the power of 5. You're going to share this opportunity with 5 people. When those 5 people pay that $25, that multiplication will give you $125 in your account. So now just look, you already hit $125 from your $25 investment in no time flat. Okay, so now what's going to happen is you're going to upgrade into the $100 level. When you upgrade into that $100 level, which is our level 2, you're going to bank 25. That means that now you have your $25 back that you started with. That means that you're playing with the casino's money right now. You're in the game for free. When your team members duplicate that effort, because it's too easy, super simple, when they go up to the $100 level, paying you the 100 times the 5 people, that's $500 in your account. Nothing else to upgrade into. When you add those two totals, which was the 25 and the 500, that is 525 that you've just taken in. Then from that point on, every day, you're looking at 500 coming in because you have no further investments to do. Guys, do you see the power in this? This is super simple from a $25 system and 2 steps. Come on, anyone can do 2 steps. A baby can take 2 steps, right? Of course. So you can do this. All you have to do is get in here serious, take advantage of the opportunity, and share it with other people. We're going to give you banner ads, text ads, show you how to set everything up, and you're going to be off and running today. So are you ready to take possession of $500 per day? If you are, get back to the person that sent you to this great video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.